Today we are making a delicious hot apple cider that is perfect for those cold winter nights. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my pot on medium-low heat, and to it I am going to add in 2 cups of orange juice. And we can't have our apple cider without some apple cider. So I am going to be adding in 2 quarts of apple cider, or 8 cups. And it's about half this container. And if you see me swatting a bunch of stuff, it's because there are a ton of mosquitoes out tonight. Also, if you see this really cute turkey cheese ball over here and you're wondering, why is that out? It is because we just made a video for it because I love to serve this for my Thanksgiving gathering appetizer. So if you want to see the recipe on how to make it, the video will be posted and the link will be down below. There we go. So now we have 8 cups of our cider in our pot. Sweet Lord. That is good glass. Wow. You know, I'm just going to put it on the floor. Next, I'm going to add in the juice of half a lemon, just to add a little acidity. And I also have some fresh fruit that I'm going to be adding in. So I have just 1 orange that I sliced, as well as 1 sliced apple. And I can add all of this into my pot. And now it's time to add in all those delicious spices. So here I have 2 teaspoons of whole cloves going in, along with 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and I like to add in some ginger, so I just have a few pieces of cut up fresh ginger. Next, I'm adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, just to add a little bit more sweetness to our drink. And now we can give this a stir. So now I'm turning my heat up to medium to bring this to a simmer, and then I'm going to turn it back to a low heat and let it cook anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. The longer you cook it, the more flavor will come in. And I'm also going to cover it so it doesn't boil away. Now that this is simmered down for quite a while, I can take off my lid, and I've taken it off the heat, and I'm going to strain out all of those spices in the fruit. There we go. And I have to say, this smells so delicious. You can really smell all those spices. You can put this back in your pot and keep it on low heat and just serve it throughout the night so it stays nice and hot. And at this point, if you are taking it off the heat and serving this right away, you can add in your booze or make this non-boozy. It's totally up to you. If you want to add all the alcohol to the punch, I recommend adding in 2 cups of spiced rum. But as I have a few people coming over tonight that aren't drinking, I am going to leave this non-alcoholic and just add a little booze to my glass. Now we can ladle in some of our delicious spiced cider. There we go. And now this is totally optional, but I do like to add a little bit of dark rum to my drink. So I'm going to add in about 1/2 ounce of dark rum to each glass. And you don't have to garnish your drink, but if you watch my channel, you know I love to. Now it's time to carefully take a sip. Do not burn your tongue because this is hot. Wow, that's really good. Yum. That is so delicious. It's perfectly spiced. And on a cold night, this just hits the spot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Cheers!